So good morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Now I am going to take about on the topics on the case study on noise pollution. Today the recent trends of noise pollution has been developed from these industries and the traffic police, traffic inspections to this the noise pollution. Now we are going to see the topics on the basis of soil pollution, noise pollution and the preventive measures and causes of this noise pollutions.
Hi, I am Deepika. Definition of noise pollution. Noise pollution is defined as a harmful and a disturbing sound for the organisms like humans, animals, and most of the organisms caused by noise pollution.
Like some
Like sources of noise pollution are vehicle traffic including automobiles and railway and airway traffic. Construction noise is a major source of noise pollution, especially from machinery used in demolition and preparations of sites. Like construction sites are often near homes and business so noise complaints are the common one. Like household activities like loud music, TV and music system are source of noise pollution. Like electrical appliances and household equipment can be a source of noise pollution. Like bursting of crackers and fireworks is a major source of noise pollution. Public addresses system of a source of noise pollution. Generating sets are a source of noise pollution.
effects on human health. First point is hearing loss. Prolonged exposure to the noises can lead to permanent hearing losses. Next is sleep disturbances. Due to the noises, our sleep cycle disturbs and we can lead to fatigue. Next is stress. The chronic noise contributes to irritability, high blood pressure and depression which leads to high blood pressure levels. Next is cardiovascular issues. Due to the high blood pressure levels, our heart can lead to diseases which Next is cardiovascular diseases. Due to the high blood pressure levels, our heartbeat rises and leads to heart diseases. Next is environmental effects. Wildlife disruptions. Animals may have trouble in communicating, finding food and reproducing, which will lead to loss of biodiversity and disturbances to ecosystem.
Measuring of the noise pollution. Decibel is used to measure the noise. Normal conversation sound ranges from 60 to 70 and traffic sound ranges from 70 to 85. Preventive measures of noise pollution. Urban planning. We can create separate residential areas away from airports and industrial fields. Soundproofing. We can use double-layered windows and noise barriers for buildings. Noise reduction in vehicles. Quieter engines and exhaust systems can be used in
These are cars, trucks, and the vehicles we are using within daily usage. And the main reason is crackers and fireworks. Like in household construction, the major noises are arising, and in airplanes and airports are the main air traffics, and in industrial activities like factories and machineries are the source of noise pollution.
मैम एडली वीडियो कट आयచ్చు मैम
noise reduction vehicles. Quieter engines and exhaust systems can be used in vehicles to reduce the noise pollution. Regulations. Implementing and enforcing noise control laws and standards. Public awareness. Educating communities about the control of noise pollution. Thank you.